Cyberbullying at LHS, silence is acceptance. Topics being covered today are 1, what is cyberbullying? 2, current policy that is in place at LHS, which is Libertyville High School. And 3, how we can fix the problem. Cyberbullying is something that takes place over a digital device, like cell phones, computers, and tablets. And cyberbullying includes sending and posting and sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. Very common within a middle school and high school setting. Currently established at Libertyville High School are multiple different avenues that students can outreach to if they feel they're being bullied, but there's nothing very specific to just cyberbullying. One thing that is on the Libertyville High School website is under Student Services. There is a report bullying page, and underneath that page, students can go to a Google form where they can report anything that they were either a part of, if they were the person being bullied themselves, or if they were a witness to the bullying being happened. So it's up to the students or the witnesses' responsibility to fill out that form, which once it's filled out, and it does give very specific details on when it happened, date, place, time, specifics, what school you go to, and as soon as that form is submitted, it goes straight to the district office, to one of the associate superintendents, and it also goes to the assistant principal at that specific high school. Other bullying policies that are beginning to roll out at Libertyville High School is a program called Green Dot. This program began at Libertyville spring of last year, and the whole point of the program is at LHS is participating to end bullying and to teach people how to be an effective bystander. So currently, there's only 18 staff members that are basically trained within this whole Green Dot program. And what they're doing from here is they're selecting a few students to train each semester as well. And the whole point of training a select few students in this Green Dot program is to help them spread kind of more of a positive behavior around the school. So how can we fix the problem of cyberbullying at Libertyville High School? I think one thing that is very important is nowadays we give students Chromebooks because we're a one-on-one school, but when we give especially freshmen those Chromebooks, kind of reiterate and let them know how to be safe on the internet and make sure that they understand that everything that they put on there can be traced back to them, and anything that you put out on the internet cannot be erased, because I don't really think students understand that concept. Another thing that I think we could do to help fix the problem is have an anti-bullying week. I feel like we do yellow ribbon week and we do red ribbon week. So maybe we could do like a green dot week at our school where it really just focuses on bullying, negative aspects of it, warning signs, just so that students are more aware of that it probably happens more than they think. Another thing that our school could do to help bring in more of the community and the parent involvement is have a parent night, maybe the same week that we do an anti-bullying week, just to have parents be more involved in it and more realize kind of what the problem is and maybe how they can help and get involved. Probably just starters, making sure that they check maybe their students' cell phones and their social media accounts and that they're up to date on what their students are doing. Another thing that our school can do to continue fixing the problem of cyberbullying is fully continue implementing the Green Dot program. I know our school is really big into it right now. However, we really haven't seen or heard much of that Green Dot program in the past few months. So just continuing to train teachers and to train students on what the whole point of that program is, because I think the whole end goal of that Green Dot program is really focused on helping students and bullying within the school, which is the goal.